Welcome back, guys, to day number 5, where we will try to scale our winning products. So let me just tell you guys something about winning products. Winning products has levels. There's the mega winning products and there's the mini winning products. And the winning products that we currently have are unfortunately, just mini winning products, but that's okay. Okay, we will try to scale these winning products to $1,000 a day. Now, usually what I try to do all the time is once I validate a winner, I would go ahead and try to create a brand new store where I would buy a brand new domain that relates to that product. I would go for like the one niche store kind of business where I go ahead and start with the winning product and try to add more related product to the store. This way I can upsell people, and at the same time I would go ahead and just like build a brand that I could brand going forward. So this is the perfect roadmap. You start with dropshipping, you validate the winner, then you go ahead and move it to a brand new store where you will start your branding process. Okay, so the branding process is a whole other process that we will talk about hopefully in the upcoming few days. But for the sake of this video, I will not go ahead and take the winning products to a brand new store. I will just use the regular store that we created a few days ago. Okay, so we will use this very exact product or this very exact store to try to scale the products to hopefully 1K revenue a day. Now, the good news is that the products that we have is high tickets, meaning that we will reach the $1,000 fairly easily. We'll need just few orders to hit the 1K mark. But yeah, enough talking. Let's get right into business. So these are the sales of today. I'm close to midnight right now, so we're closing the day with 3 orders in total. So if we go to our ads right here, you will see that I'm launching a brand new product on this campaign. So it's scheduled. It just got approved. So I'll be duplicating the ad set very, very soon. But for now, let's focus on what's working for us right here. So let's go for maximum, which is like from the 3rd to the 5th. So right here, we see that we have a couple ad sets that brought us sales. Now, usually I wouldn't start the scaling process this soon. But once again, for the sake of the video, I will go ahead and risk it for the biscuit. You know what I'm saying? I just go ahead and scale the ad sets ASAP because I'm trying to finish this course very soon. I promise you guys that I'll be posting it by mid-January, so I'm doing my best here. Okay, so hopefully we will hit that 1K mark profitably. Okay, so that's the goal, hitting $1,000 in revenue profitably. Okay, so what I like to do, first thing first, I would go ahead and duplicate to 5 ad sets. I'll be basically testing more interests. Go ahead and do that real quick. So make sure you select interests that I did not test before. Okay, so make sure you have a look at what you've already tested. Make sure you don't select the same exact interest one more time. That's all you use. Toolbox. We did not do this one, so let's just do a selected. Copy, paste it right here. Move on to the next ad set. Find a new interest that I have not tested before. Trail, I did not test it out. Screw. Home improvements. This is not the same interest. 2 different interests right there. Okay. I'll go here, and there's another interest machine tool. Okay. Booyah. So I would go ahead and increase the daily budget to 10 USD instead of $7 that used to be. And for the launch start dates, we're close to midnight, so there's no need to go ahead and select midnight. And I would go ahead and publish it. Okay. Okay, brilliant. Now that we published and started testing brand new interests right here, let's try and go ahead and duplicate the assets that I've already got as sales. So what I like doing is basically, before we do this, let me just share with you guys something very important when it comes to Facebook ads. Now, the rule with Facebook ads is very simple. You simply follow this number one rule. You duplicate what's working and you delete what's not working. That's it. That's all you gotta follow to scale from 0 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, and going forward, the number one rule that you must follow is duplicate what's working. Simple as that. Duplicate what's working and delete what's not working. Now, once again, this is a little too soon to go ahead and do this. But once again, just for the sake of the video, I'm trying to speed the process up. Hopefully I don't turn unprofitable. I would go with hammer, duplicate it 3 times on a brand new campaign. Okay, I'll call the campaign hammer. Scaling. Then I would go ahead and just remove this copy on each single one of these. Then what I would do, just like switch the CBO, the campaign to CBO instead of ABO. Simply just do this, campaign budget optimization. And what I like to start with is 50 USD. Now 50 USD is the sweet spot for Facebook right now by the time I'm creating this this video. So that's why I'm going with that. And I would usually, and that's about it, just publish. I would come down here and do the same exact thing for the other interest that got us sales. New campaign, hand tool, scaling. I'll duplicate it 3 times. And same exact thing, I will switch on this campaign budget optimization to 50 USD. Now, let's see. Same exact procedure one more time. And voila, we published the second campaign. Now, in total, we will be spending some money here, okay? Some interest in money. But that's okay, because hopefully we will make that money back. Fingers crossed. So I will go ahead and do the same exact thing for this product right here. Okay, duplicate, brand new campaign, pattern, scaling. I'll duplicate it 3 times on a brand new campaign. Go to the campaign level, turn on the CBO, and switch the budget to 50. So I will stop here. Okay, I will stop here. I'm hoping that this converts well. it's not guaranteed 100%. All right, this is the thing with Facebook, uh, especially with products like these that are not mega winners. The type of products that $5 will get you sales. With these type of products, it's a luck game. Okay, you might hit the jackpot as you might lose your money. But what I can say is that this is what's working right now. You just, as I said, duplicate what's working for you. And that's about it, honestly. So I will stop here, as I said. Hopefully by tomorrow, we will wake up to a good revenue, okay? And yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and peace out. So it's been exactly 24 hours since last time you saw me, guys, and yep, I'm still wearing the same exact thing. But anyways, these are the results as you can clearly see for today. Now, as you can see, this campaign performed very well. This one, now the good news is that Facebook, or the app that we use for tracking, was not able to track 100% of the sales. I will share with you guys the dashboard in a minute, but this was the only marketing source I was doing for this business. And as you can see, here are the sales of today. Now keep in mind that it's still 11 p.m. so we still have an hour for the day to be over, but I will take this. I will take the 960 USD as our goal setting. I know that we set to $1,000, but I will accept my $960, if you know what I mean. So as I said, Facebook was not able to track 100% of the sales. We got in total 9 sales or 9 orders, but Facebook was only able to track 6, as you can clearly see. What else I want to talk? Now, great. Okay, we reached our goal, which is close to $1,000. But anyways, so great. Now that we reached our goal, this is exactly what I was hoping for, and I'm so lucky that I was able to pull this off. Now, keep in mind that it's not as easy as this video series shows. I would admit that I got a bit lucky for getting a couple winners at the same time. Now, these are not huge winners, but anyways, they are winners, if you know what I mean. They get you profits, so I'll call them winners for now. Now let's talk a little bit about the profit margins of this $960. Obviously, this is revenue. This is not profit, net profit. Now the gross profit, if you deduct the cost of goods, I'll be left with only 40% of this 960. And if you also deduct the 230 USD of the advertisements, well, I'll be left with around $150, give or take. Okay, $150 net profit. Now this is not optimal. It's close to 13% net profit, but this is 100% okay, because keep in mind that we are just getting started with these products. Now keep in mind, once again, if I had a whole dedicated store for each product of these, assuming that the conversion rate will be much higher, therefore the results will be a lot better. And once again, this is just the testing phase, so it's okay to lose money or break even, or even get small net margins while testing your products, because going forward, once you validate your winner, the performance will only get better. So if we go to the orders right here, we can check them out. So as you can see, all these orders are 100% real. Let's just go through them real quick. This one has been already fulfilled by CJ Dropshipping, as you can see. If we go to the ones that we have today. Now that would be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow, where we will talk a little bit about branding. Okay, I'll share with you guys some tips about branding and how you can brand with the least amount of quantities, something that not a lot of people are sharing. So stay tuned for that. I will actually record that video right now. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.